Good morning, everyone. Today in English, we are going to learn a new cluster with vowel I, which is in. In. Okay, and we are going to learn 6 words. So let us see which are the consonants we'll combine with this cluster in to form 3-letter words. The first consonant we are going to combine is F. The sound of F is F. So F in, fin. Let us see what a fin is. Can you all see a fish on the screen? Okay, so this is the fish, this is the head, this is the body of the fish, that is the tail. And do you see some parts here which are like wings? These are called the fins of the fish, which will help the fish to swim. So when mama makes fish curry or fish fry, mama cuts this part off because it is not good for eating. Okay, so these parts are called the fins of the fish. In fin. The next consonant we are going to combine with in is K. The sound of K is K. So K in kin. So do you see a picture of a family on the screen? So there is a father, there is a mother, there is grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, and then children. Okay. So your family. So all the relatives in your family, you also call them kin. Okay, you call them relatives or you call them kin. Your uncle, your aunties, your cousins, they're all together, they are called kin. Okay, you can call them either relatives or you call them kin. Okay, so k in kin. The next consonant is P. The sound of P is P. So P in pin. All of you already know what a pin is. You would have seen a safety pin. Most of you pin your handkerchiefs on your sweaters when you come to school using a pin. You would have seen these kind of pins also where ma'am uses these pins to pin your colorings, your drawings onto the notice board in the classroom. So this is called a pin. P in pin. The next consonant we are going to combine with in is T. The sound of T is T. So T in tin. So that is a tin. Okay, how many of you have seen such a thing in some shops? Some of you have at least seen it, isn't it? So this is called a tin. This is a big container in which oil comes usually. Okay, so in shops, and you would have seen, some of you would have seen that oil comes in such big containers, which is called a tin. Okay, in tin. Even sometimes paint comes in such tins, not maybe circular ones. Okay, so they are called tin. The next consonant is W. W and in. V in win. All of you had a sports day last year, isn't it? And we conducted running race. So some of you came first, some of you came second, some of you came third. Okay, so the person who comes first, you say they win, they won the race. Okay, so winning, this girl in this blue dress has won the race. Okay, so v in win. And the last consonant is b. B in bin. So that is a bin. Okay, so waste basket, you also call it as a bin. Okay, so you know we all had a waste bin near ma'am's table in the classroom where you used to come and put waste papers, toffee, chocolate wrappers, pencil sharpenings and all that, scrapings and all that, you used to come and put it in the waste bin. Okay, so it is also called bin. B in bin. So let us revise the in words once more. Fin, f in fin. So these part of the fish is called a fin. Next, k in kin. So they all your relatives are called kin. P in pin. So all of you know what a pin is. T in tin. So the big container in which oil or paint comes is called a tin. V in win. Last one is b in bin, like a waste bin. Okay. So hope you all understood about the in words. Thank you.